maybe I should switch to an EV. But what's the right EV for me? Can I come here with one charge? I would love to be able to do that. Also would love some extra personal space. What can I do while my EV charges? What does that mean? Cool design, but I need a smaller car.
Today, we continue the movement we started with the EV9. And now, introducing the Kia EV3.
We're thrilled to show you how we are doing our part to accelerate the world's transition towards electrification. With the unveiling of our EV3, we're moving forward with our vision to provide sustainable mobility solutions for all. We're doing this by making our fully dedicated electric vehicle lineup accessible to more people. We want to make our customers' lives easier and better. We want to provide thoughtful design solutions that fit their needs. With the Kia EV3, we are bringing our design philosophy, Opposites United, as we did on our flagship SUV, the EV9, in a dynamic and compact form. We are introducing new, innovative, accessible and progressive technologies made possible by the flexibility that our EV platform allows. The EV3's bold and thoughtful design is aimed at those with an adventurous mindset and an instinct for simple practicality. From the bold, progressive exterior aesthetic, the open, practical and innovative interior that maximizes space, to the choice and application of materials and finishes. We bring our customers a product that we believe is both relevant and meaningful. Our sustainable 10 must-have items are, as in all our Kias, also here, but in the form of warm, wool-like tactile fabrics and serene, welcoming colors. With the brand new Kia EV3, we are delivering on a promise, a flagship EV experience for all. The Kia EV3's dynamic silhouette combines a voluminous cabin with a long sloping roofline and hatch-style rear glass. It has strong architectural graphics with faceted and folded surfaces that create an emotional design derived from logic. Around the vehicle, the robust and purposeful character is reflected clearly in its stance and through the structured, asymmetrically cut wheel arches, boxy rear fenders, and full tailgate volume. The strong character of the hood further reinforces this impression, while at the same time framing the evolved, distinctive tiger face. The inside of the EV3 focused on optimal flexibility and usability. The spacious interior can be adapted to users' tastes and lifestyles by way of the many helpful and convenient features, like the sliding table console, comfortable and ergonomic seating, and clever storage solutions. The uncluttered floating IP with integrated media controls and horizontal air vent channel, along with a customizable mood lighting, imbue a sense of openness and calm. With the compact and innovative design, combined with an adaptable and thoughtful interior. This is the Kia EV3.
Our customers are at the core of everything we do. So we asked our customers.
It'd be great if smaller cars had bigger batteries so I could go longer distances on one charge.
I want it to be easy to drive. Like, I want to find information right away without having to look for it.
I think it would be great if there was something to do while we're waiting for the car to charge.
I would love it if there were more entertainment options in the car.
Yeah, well, I think the range of an EV needs to be at least 500 kilometers on one charge.
I need a lot of space for my stuff.
During the development of EV3, we discovered that our customers wanted a car that matches their sustainable lifestyle. But also that our customer didn't want to compromise their practical everyday needs. In other words, our customers want the same convenience they currently have with combustion engine cars, but even more when it comes to an EV. Customers want a variety of choice. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a lot of choice in the mass volume market to choose from. The majority of choice available were either large in size or higher in the price. And if you wanted a smaller EV, you need to compromise on space or range. This was the inspiration for the Kia EV3, an electrical vehicle that addressed the fundamental concerns while incorporating innovative technology beyond its tier. Kia EV3 delivers one of the best living and cargo size in its class, while our flexible EGMP platform delivers best-in-class AR. With battery capacity of 81.4 kilowatts and aerodynamic design with 3D undercover throughout the whole vehicle, the EV3 can travel up to 600 kilometers in one single charge. This means you can travel from Paris to Geneva without having to stop for additional charge. And thanks to battery capacity, the EV3 can be your portable energy sources wherever you are. We go far beyond segment to create a compact SUV EV that may be smaller in size, yet fully loaded in innovative technologies and features. The huge 30-inch wide-screen display shared with our flagship SUV EV9 are designed to provide an intuitive and immersive driving experience. Combined with the 12-inch head-up display, the EV3 detects nearby vehicle while the highway driving assist 2 allows for a more safe and convenient driving experience. And with the Kia EV3 as the first model, we have applied the new iPedal 3.0. It allows the driver to adjust the level of regenerative braking according to one's preferences while driving with one pedal. This not only maximizes energy efficiency, but also reduces fatigue on the long drives. With the Kia EV3, we make the Kia's flagship EV experience and technology accessible to more people. The Kia EV3 is equipped to empower your life.
Time was a frequent topic of discussion among our EV customers. They were not only interested in reducing the EV charging time, but also in making the time spent in their cars more meaningful. Through our customer-centric innovations, the EV3 enables our customers to focus on enhancing their work, productivity, or simply relax. With the EV3, our customers will be able to enjoy their favorite entertainment content inside of their vehicles with our premium streaming services. Thanks to our huge widescreen display and our amazing sound system, it will be like having their very own personal cinema or entertainment lounge. In addition, cars are no longer just a means of transportation, but an extension of our life space. Our customers have told us that they want to customize and decorate the interior of the vehicle according to their preferences, in the same way they will redecorate their phone or home. That's why, in the future, customers will be able to access the Kia Connect store to find the content they can use to customize the interior of their vehicles. As we add new features and technologies to our vehicles, we recognize the need to make them more accessible. Our main goal was to offer an experience that's both simple and intuitive. Generative AI has already enhanced various aspects of our daily lives. For this reason, starting from EV3, we introduced Kia's innovative AI assistant into all our dedicated EVs. Hey Kia, can you introduce yourself?
I am Kia Assistant, created by Kia. To provide information and assistance, I can help answer questions, provide recommendations, and assist with various tasks. How can I assist you today?
The Kia AI assistant not only simplifies the in-car driving experience, making it more user-friendly and intuitive, but it also enhances our customers' productivity even when they're not driving. The Kia AI assistant will continue to evolve over time through its generative AI technology and the OTA function embedded into our vehicles. Instead of just describing the features of Kia's new AI assistant, we would like to show you how it can enhance our customers' lives.
Sure about that?
Hey Kia, can you recommend a good steakhouse in town?
Hey, Kia, can you recommend a cafe nearby?
Which one should I take you to?
Maybe I'll drop by on the way back. Okay, let's have a look here. Oh, we got... Wow, so many features. Oh. Whoa. Hey, Kia, take me to Cafe Le Vin. Let's go. Hey, Kia, can you set the temperature to 18 degrees?
Sure, setting temperature to 18 degrees Celsius.
Hey, Kia, any suggestions for something fun to do this weekend?
Here are a few suggestions, depending on your interests. You can enjoy an outdoor adventure.
Hey, Kia, can you recommend some exciting rock music?
Searching music.
Hey, Kia, let's go home.
Navigating to home.
Hey, Kia, can you recommend something to make my daughter feel better?
Compact yet fully loaded. SUV EV. It may seat 5, but has the power to move millions into the EV era. The Kia EV3. A moving power. Create your own inspiring journey.
Kia, movement that inspires.